Sun, ozone, smog, dust, dirt, and overall wear and tear can leave many surfaces dull and dated. New Hide Vinyl and Plastic Rejuvenator Polish brings those surfaces back to life and adds an elegant, wet look appearance. Not only does New Hide restore luster, but it also protects surfaces going forward against scuffs, fingerprints, cracking, hardening, rotting, and sun damage. Use New Hide on a wide range of surfaces other than just vinyl and plastic, such as leather, rubber, chrome, brass, copper, aluminum, stainless steel, Formica, and wood laminates.